All right, I'm here with Kiki L'Italian. She's the editor-in-chief of Association Chat. We just got finished shooting an awesome video getting people hyped for ASAE Annual. And after we were done shooting it, we realized there was actually a lot more coming up with Association Chat in terms of some really exciting experiences that Kiki wanted to talk about. So I'm actually going to hand the microphone over to her right now to tell us a little bit more.
All right. Thank you, Casey. Oh my gosh. So we were talking about it, and it is very exciting. Association Chat. Yes, we have this magnificent road trip to Cleveland that's happening, unlike anything ever done that I know of before. A special thing for the association community. It's a ride from DC to Cleveland, going to ASAE Annual, which is like the key thing to do in the association industry every year. And it is going to have little stops along the way. It's a mobile mastermind for association professionals. And we're going to be reporting live along the way. So you're going to get some association chat love. Once people arrive, they're also going to be able to go and find the very first association chat printed publication. This is a quarterly printed publication that's going to start coming out. It's something I've dreamed of doing for so long, and Association Chat is finally going to do it. You're going to get Association Chat Guide to ASAE Annual that you can pick up there, and it's 550 of these little babies are going to be printed out, and you're going to have to pick one up there and hold on to it. It'll be a collector's edition, I'm sure. We also have Association AI Day that's coming up in October. This will be the second year doing that and partnering up with Cognitive Path, right? And also with Association Trends. And both of these organizations do a wonderful job. We partnered up last year. We're doing it again this year because it was sold out, very successful, and we're already putting together the programming for that. So very, very exciting. I want to send a special thank you to our sponsors because with all of these new things that are happening, there's even a new website, didn't talk about that yet, new website. With all of these new things that are happening, it just could not happen without the support, financial support, the creative support that comes from the collaborators that we have. First, I want to mention thank you to the Interesting Conversations Company, Deidre Daniel. Your creativity has been absolutely phenomenal in putting the thought and effort that goes into our Association Chat road trip, right? It's going to be amazing. But a special thanks to our Visionary Voyager sponsor, pivotal partner in all of this, making Association Chat run, Big Red M. Near and dear to my heart, absolutely phenomenal in helping us in all the ways. The support that you're giving Association Chat and the community at large is really important to all of us. So thank you for that.